In a lush jungle, a group of tourists embarked on a sustainable adventure. Their guide, Bob, promised they'd help save the endangered whistling turtles. As they trekked, Bob explained, "These turtles whistle to communicate." The tourists were eager to hear the melody. Suddenly, a loud whistle echoed. "There it is!" Bob exclaimed. But it was just Tim, a tourist, blowing his nose. Everyone laughed. Bob grinned. "Well, Tim's whistle might not save turtles, but it sure entertained us!" They continued, more determined to protect the real whistlers. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.